Day 3. This is our last full day in Bangkok. It's already 2 p.m. We just got ready to go out because we partied a little too much last night at Soy Cowboy. Unfortunately, I'm not allowed to film in there, so I couldn't show you guys. But yeah, we are heading out to go have lunch at Here High. It's supposed to be a Michelin star, and then we're gonna go see temples. What an epic fail! Here Hey is apparently closed on Mondays, but I checked it 2 days ago. It was open. Lesson learned, check every day. But it's okay. We found this random Japanese place. It looks nice. I hope.
A few hours later.
On the way to the temples. Long. That's the foot of the Buddha. It goes all the way to the other end. So big and long. Chinatown. We're currently at a restaurant called Red Rose. Dan found this on Google. It's apparently the #1 restaurant here in Chinatown. So let's see. checking out from our hotel. We were really only here for 3 days because it was just a quick side trip to our main destination. But we will definitely come back in Bangkok because there's so many things to do. I think I promised a quick room tour, so let's go! Mini bar, which we didn't touch. Coffee area. There's a fridge, mini vault. Here's your little living room. They gave us fruits. This one I bought from the market. Some mini TV here. And then here's the bedroom. This is the view from our room. We're on the 38th floor. Closet, TV, here's the bathroom. And that's it. Bye!